piece that we worked on this winter. This house has been open for about a year as the customer hires us to do different things. One of the more recent things we did was put in a seating area up here on the top of the dune. So again, this is what we worked on this summer. I came up here this winter. Most of the heavy work is done during the winter down here. So when the tourists aren't here, this is a high tourist area, high tourist rental. But again, we built this walkover. About 14 steps up from the walkover. We also redid the walkover on the handrails. About that one there. The walkover was already there. The walkover is probably 15 to 20 years old, and we just beefed it up to make it stronger, look better. Looks way better. So like I said, about 14 steps on the way up, and we have a landing here, a seating area here, which is fabulous. I'm very happy with how we ended up with here. Steps to get to the bottom, so starting here and all the way to the bottom down there, about 41 steps. Looks like the dune is trying to take over our work there. So you got about 10 or 12 steps there, another landing there, more steps, another landing. And then it takes a right-hand turn because we want to get out in the middle of the road there where people kind of drive.